The question is, could AI generate Facebook posts for us just by filling in these 5 items? So I think probably I already introduced in previous structure. Absolutely, with Dify, we can set up an AI application. So means once configuration, it will be generate the post by simply enter your promotion detail. The promotion detail is a means. So this type of information, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So that is the key concept. Today, we are going to create the AI application. So before you go to work out your AI application, you need to have the structure. What type of things should be settled down without change? And then what type of things we need to leave for the user input? And then continuously, what like today we are doing. Based on that, you can define the application better. Okay, let's start our today's AI application creation training. So you can see we will create this application in 9 steps. So you will never get stuck on writing a Facebook post again based on your own AI application for Facebook content writer. So let's to create our first AI application step by step. We go for step number 1, create an AI application. Just like we introduced, we need to go to the studio page and then select create an application and then choose from the blank platform. Okay, then let's go back to our own Dify platform. Here you can see. So just like we mentioned, number 1, we go for studio page, and then in studio page we choose create application, and then we choose create from the blank. That means we do not create based on any templates. Okay, then let me click create from blank. You can see after I click this button, there was the 4 type of AI application we can create it. So number 1, so that is a chatbot. Number 2, that is text generation. And then number 3, that is agent. And then number 4, that is working flow. So the entire 4 type of applications start from easy to complex. And then for number 1 chatbot, probably we will have the basic and the chat flow. So, and then here you can see we can write down the application name over there. And then we also can write down some description about this application over there. In case you finish this configuration, then you will be stepped into the application program page. We call it the IDE. And then before we go for detail, let me introduce what is the difference comparing the number 1, number 2, number 3, and the number 4. So you can see right now we have 4 type of application. AI application. Number 1, chatbot. So like the introduction here, you can see. So chatbot, as the name suggestion, this type of application is designed for creating chatbot application. So for example, ChatGPT, that is our daily heavy use. Or you can use like a customer support assistance. So if your business needs are really complex, then you might need to be workflow type of chatbot for adding functionality. So this one we marked out here. So that is workflow. Normally that is basic logic, that is the chatbot. Okay, that is number 1. And then we go for the text generation. So text generation, following the name, you can see this type of application is the idea for writing-based AI application. So for example, generate report, email, or even you want to write a book, write a novel, then you can use this type of information as well. And then here is the agent. The agent, like a little bit advanced text generation AI application. So logically, this one, text generation, and the agent almost same. The only difference here is the agent can be integrated with third-party plugin. You can say plugin means third-party tools. For example, a travel assistance agent could be accessed via the forecast. So if we use the text generation, we cannot be integrated with third-party tools to get the tomorrow weather forecast. But with agent, we can be integrate third-party tools to read out what is tomorrow weather forecast, and then we can be based on the information generate the trip plan. So that is the difference. And then the most complex part here, you can see that is workflow. So you can see also marked out here. The workflow is the workflow is a highly complex AI application. So it's allow you to define the detail like a code workflow. So to process your request, based on the different scenario. This means based on your different input, AI will be go for different, based on your different input, AI will be handle or process your input in different way. We need to have the working flow, so feature, and then it can be process complex requests, and then can be customized the AI application based on your demand. So based on that, you can see here, that is entire structure. So it's starting from chatbot, most easy one, text generation, then it's used for writing report AI application. And then based on that, add one more third-party tools integration, then it will be go for agent. The last part here is comparing with agent. This type of AI application can be defined a different working flow based on user different input. So that is entire 4 type of AI application we can be created on Dify platform. It can major cover diversified application requirements, so to address your business demand. Based on our today's training target, we are going to create one of AI application to write in the Facebook post. Based on this target, there was 2 type of AI application we can choose. Number 1, for sure, that is text generation. And then number 2, so we can also choose the agent type of AI application. In case if we want to integrate the third-party tools, then better we choose the agent type AI application. So then let's create the 4th AI application. The AI application type we settle down, that is agent type.